Hello, crafty friends. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're staying crafty, healthy, and beautiful as well. And in today's video, I am going to show you an unboxing. So I received the package from Rosie Studios. So we're going to watch that. Also, if you are new, welcome, welcome. I am definitely happy that you are stopping by, and I hope you like this video and all the other videos that I have, and also playlists. So please join me in this journey of paper crafting and join the family by subscribing and also liking the videos as well. So let's go ahead and flip the cameras. Hello, crafty friends. Welcome back to the channel. So here I am unboxing the gorgeous collection from Rosie Studios called Hello Me. So I bought the bundle that comes with the 12 by 12 papers. I'm gonna come a little bit closer. And also, yeah, and also these butterfly embellishments. Oh, and die cut cardstocks, 2 packages, sticker book, ooh, alphabet stickers, coffee stickers, chipboard embellishments. So let's go ahead and take a look at the papers. The style, I love this collection because it's very springy slash vintagey type, and vintage is my jam. So I love it. Look at these, the patterns. And by the way, all these papers are single-sided. They are not double-sided, which is super good, like to do junk journals. And I love the weight. Not only for junk journals, but also for any kind of paper crafting, like scrapbook page layouts, memory decks cards, tag flips, ATC cards, 3D paper craft projects, etc. So it's super good and convenient. And let's take a look at this other one, green stripe. Oh, I love this one. Look at that. I love the colors. They're like daisies and different dots and kind of like doodles, but I love this paper. I wish I could I could have fabric made of this pattern. That would be so nice. And then this other one, it's pink, and as you can see, it's almost like a marquise, kind of like flowery type. I know I'm putting this, I should probably put this aside. I'm arranging things here. Then the next one, it's lemon or oranges. I love this typewriting set. Oh, and this one, it's a mini typewriter. How cute. And it has also like golden dots. It's kind of hard to appreciate this in camera, but it is so pretty. Oh, and look at these die cuts or cut aparts. Look at those tags. And then sentiments, mini cards, like for also Project Life, kind of projects, or traveler notebooks, journaling. And I love this black paper. Oh, another flowery paper, super cute. Love this mustard color, and this is my favorite color, kind of like aqua turquoise with a pattern, almost looks like a marbled or painted kind of type. And then this other one, oh, I love this one too, green. And this one, oh, these are pens. How clever. They are pens. They are pens. No, I'm sorry. They're not pens. Oh no, yeah, there's the pen. Then there is the pencil and the brush. Very nice, very nice. Oh, look at these for the book lovers. Super cute. Look at all these bright colors. Then this other one, flowery thing. Oh, I love this orangey one. Very nice. Oh, this one. I'm telling you, Rosie Studios has one of the gorgeous. I just want to say that I just enjoy paper crafting with Rosie Studios. Love their papers and their designs. Look at that, how pretty. And this other one, this is my story, love my life. And look at that, like kind of like a watercolor mixed media type. So yeah, so these are the papers, 12 by 12 papers. So they come 20. It's a package of 20, so that's super nice. Now let's take a look at my favorite thing too. These butterflies. I love when they come with these butterflies. And I'm probably going to open one so you guys can see the texture of the butterfly. Look at that. They're like polka dots. And I know my light here is just kind of funny. And let me see if I turn on the lights. Yeah, look at that. How pretty. Beautiful, right? Then the next one, we have die cuts, like for journaling. I am. This other one, more die cut cardstock, and look at that. These are all the flowers and the house, bows, typewriters, and the birdie. So pretty, so pretty. Then this sticker book. So the sticker book, let me just open this up so we can see this better. Kind of like washi samples, sentiments. Look at that, sweet, love it, love it, love it. Look at all these sentiments. So pretty. So pretty, so pretty. And then, of course, we have the alphabet stickers, kind of like typewriter style. Then the hearts, like if you have a planner, you can use these, you know, for planners, things like that. And then this other one, puffy stickers, my favorite. Look at this one. Amazing. And then the other side, trying to avoid the glare here. And then chipboard embellishments. Super, super, super cute. And yeah, so this is the collection called Hello from Rosie Studios. And you can get this collection if you go to their website. I'm going to leave the links of Rosie Studios website and also their social media accounts in Instagram, YouTube, TikTok as well. So thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.